Spotlight. Oh yeah, baby. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Connor, your YouTube fisherman. Wanna do some kayak fishing, Mosquito Lagoon. I got my kayak back there, but as you can see, it's pretty bad looking out there, and it's not gonna stop either. So I don't know what to do. I'm trying to regroup or just here. Wait it out, but it shows till like 9:30 and it's only 6 a.m. right now, so I'm not sure what to do, but the conditions are pretty bad here. I want to come out rain or shine, which I did, but the water looks pretty bad. It's windy, waves, rain. Not a good combination for kayak fishing, especially by myself. You know, you gotta be first safe and sound, and it doesn't feel too safe right now. So I might have a plan B. Stay tuned. Let's see where we head. Well, the storm finally stopped. Rain stopped. Still cloudy, overcast, but got the kayak out. It's 11 a.m. It literally lasted 3 hours, the storm. I couldn't believe it. I was gonna go out, but you know, safety first. I'm by myself. Lightning, storming, and thunder. I don't want to be on the water just like that by myself, or especially early in the morning when there's no boats at all. There's nobody around. So always be safe and sound, guys. That's why I waited out. And finally, little clearance I see, as you can see. So of course we're gonna go ahead and hit our flat, try to catch our redfish, snook, trout. We have only 2 hours, so let's hope we do get a inshore slam. Stay tuned. Oh man, what a day. It started out suck, but hopefully it'll end up nicely. All right, so since already midday, we're not gonna do the top water. I might do the top water since the water is calm. I might do that, but I got my Fred Slam Shaded series. That's the pink weedless, and that's the Salt Strong weedless and Salt Strong lure. Can't beat that. We got our 30-pound fluorocarbon and 10-pound braid on a 2500 Daiwa Fuego, which I love. It's incredible. Very light, effective. It pulls me 30+ inch redfish. I caught bunch before on the flat, so that's the setup. If you want to go that way, because you want to go weedless, it's a lot of lots of grass and less than a foot deep. So that's what we're gonna do. Work the mangroves, work the edges, and hoping for some good fish. Let's go, baby. We are on the flats. The water is murky with all the rain lately. Obviously it's definitely higher than usual and it's murky. That's normal, but I love working it. I see some bait jumping, so I'm just gonna slow my speed and just jig slowly. Hope for a redfish, snook, trout. Ooh, I had a nice bite, guys. First bite. Oh man, right there in that canal. Oh. Let's slow down. Oh man, I think it was a redfish. Oh, here we go. Fish on. Oh yeah, he came back. Oh yeah, spotlight. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta love it. Oh yes. I love it. He came right back for it. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. There we go. That's our first fish of the day. I'm not gonna say morning. We missed the morning, but I love it. I love it. Right on the side of the mouth. Look at that. Beautiful. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. You're just a nice redfish. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Very nice. Beautiful, guys. Right on the side of the mouth. Right there. Slam shady. Look at that. That's a nice redfish. 1-2 spot here. 3-4. I love it. Let's go, baby. We'll let him go. Keep on fishing, baby. I like this moth too. Anytime I have an opening, little cut, deep pocket. Oh, see? I'm telling you, there's always fish there. Let's slow down. I think there's fish here. Let's see. Let's get up. That's why I bought this kayak as well. So solid, lots of leg room. It's 34 inches one side to other. You have unbelievable leg room. You're not cramped up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. I know there's fish here. Come to Papa. Well, we got our first redfish. That's awesome. Oh, Snook. That was funny. Very small snook. Oh man, that's crazy. Oh wow, are we gonna get the inshore slam? We got the redfish. We got the little snooky. That's crazy, guys. That's really crazy. Oh man, that's something else. That is something else. I can't believe we got a little snooky. Almost going back. That was awesome. I wasn't expecting a snook. I mean, juvenile snook, but hey, snook is a snook. Oh man, that's funny. Let's get that off. Come on, one trout, inshore slam, baby. Let's go. Let's go, trout. And I have just a spot on the way back for a trout. Maybe we get lucky. 2-hour fishing, not bad, not bad. What is that? Ooh, is that bait? Is that bait? Lots of bait, guys, lots of bait today. Man, I wish I could stay longer. Ah, sucks. Ah, it really sucks. Right now is beautiful, like really beautiful. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Let's hit that by the mangroves right there. Look at that mullet. Come on, redfish. Peel that line. Or trout. Man, mullets are jumping. Come on. Right in the mouth. There we go. Come on. Come on, redfish. Come on, trout. Come to Papa.